Hello dear friend, welcome to my channel. And in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can create a custom sticker for your WhatsApp account. Okay, so if you think that you wanna make your own sticker, or you wanna create custom sticker, it's maybe like your picture or text, so you can easily make this. So how can you do this? Just follow my step, then you will learn. And for this tutorial we need to download or install our apps. So go to your Play Store. Here you can see Play Store, then search here sticker maker. Sticker maker. So when you search this, then you'll get this one, sticker maker. And the creator of the app, Vico and Co. So if you check their ratings, it's 4.6 stars, and 1 million people reviews this app, and 100 million people downloaded this app. So I think it's so popular, so you can easily use this. Okay, so simply click on install, then wait a second. It's not so big, only 30 MB, so it takes a few seconds to download it on your device. When it's completed to download, then we need to open this app. A lot of facilities you will get in this app, so you can use this. Just wait a second, maybe it will be faster in your phone, so it's vary the internet speed. So it's installing. And when this completed, then we need to click here open. Wait a second to get the interface of the app. So this is the interface. So what should you do now? Just click create a new sticker pack. So when you click there, then you'll get a two input option, sticker pack name. So I just here like sports, sports, and the author name like I just write here Shafi, and simply click create. So you can see here your first sticker pack. Okay, so just click sports, and then you will see here 30 sticker you can use here. So I just put the name sports, so it will be sports related sticker. So try icon. When you click there, then you'll get 5 option here. Take a photo, open gallery, select file, sticker library, and text only. So you can also take your photo, it's maybe selfie or solid photo, or open gallery. If you have a picture on your memory, then you can just bring them and pull them here and select file. So in this video I'll use text only, so I just text only, and then I type here like 6. 6. So I can easily customize this. So just click here, and here you can see I can change the color of the text. Okay, so I just keep it, and you can change your font size also. So I just keep this one, and after that click the mark, and then save sticker. So when you save sticker, then it will be added on your first one, and then go to your second one. This is the one. You can also use this. I just use the again. I write here boom boom. So after that you can change everything here. Okay, so I just keep this one, and you can change the font style also here. Okay, it's like, okay, just let me try it more appropriate for this. Maybe it's perfect for me, or I can, yeah, it's perfect for me. And after that click again the mark, and then simply click save sticker. Then it's added again in your one. Then you can also click here too, and text only. So you can use all of the feature. You can also add your picture, add your anything. So I just here bold. Okay, and then click save sticker. So here you can see you can add a 30 picture in a same row. So you can use this, and when after finishing, then simply click add to WhatsApp. So when you click add to WhatsApp, then you will get this app on your sticker in WhatsApp account. It takes few seconds, and
wow, $3.
sorry for the
You talk.
sorry for that. And after that you will find the sticker on your WhatsApp. Okay friend, dear friend, today is no more, and I will make some good videos for you, and please make sure subscribe my channel and share this video. And you can say anything about this video, and let me know comment below your opinion. Okay friend, today is no more. Thank you for watching this tutorial.